Hello and welcome back to Excellent TV, where we bring to you every important information and updates about Nigeria and the Yoruba people. So, thank you so much for all our current subscribers on this channel who has been supporting this channel. And I want to plead to those who are just seeing us for the first time, or you have been watching videos from this channel and you are yet to subscribe, please do me a favor by clicking on the red subscription button right now. So, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you can also get notified whenever we upload new videos. Subscribing on this channel is free, so do not panic. So, what do we have for you today? We have a good news for you all today, especially the Yoruba people. I mean, especially those people in Oyo State, particularly in Shasha or Igogon area of Nigeria. So, what is the update? Can someone guess? The update is the notorious criminal called Iskilu Wakili has been just arrested by the members of the OPC. The Gani Adams, the Are Onakakanfo Adams OPC has just arrested Iskilu Wakili, who has been terrorizing the people of Shasha and Igogon area. So, let me not take much of your time. I want you to watch the video, and after the video, I'll come back to you. Thank you. Stay tuned and God bless.
Bàbá tí wọ́n ń pè ní Wakili ni. Bàbá Wakili. Kí ló ṣe ẹ́? Bọ́dún ṣe dínkù tó ń dé lánàá ni àbí? Ẹsẹ̀ ń ro ẹ́? Pẹ̀lú ọjọ́ orí yìí bàbá ṣó dáa kẹ́ máa ní wá lára. Ojú wa ń dùn yín. Nígbà wo lẹ ti dé sí Bàràpá? Ó tọ́dún méje ti dé Bàràpá. Bàbá ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ náà kí n lè fi yín sílẹ̀ níbi kí n gbé yín padà lọ sí ẹ̀yìn abúlé yín. Ọdún lẹ ti dé Bàràpá? Ọdún lẹ ti dé Bàràpá? Ẹ̀yin tó yẹ pé àwọn ọmọ yín sàlàyé fún wa ń sì ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ láti Kòtónú lánàá ni. Bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ ṣojú yín ní Kòtónú. Ṣojú nìkan lọ ṣe ń Kòtónú ní abẹ́ ṣe nǹkan mi lọ́hùn. So bàbá tó ń jẹ́ Wakili ni gbogbo ayé ń wò lórí fídíò yìí. So ó dẹ̀ jẹ́ bọ́yìn pretend nìyẹn, but nígbà tá a débẹ̀ láàárọ̀ ìdarí ó ń sàlọ́gbọ̀n ni wọ́n lè mú. So but láti gbà yẹn bọ́yìn pretend náà ni. So ẹ ṣeun. Bóyá jẹ́ nìyẹn gbogbo àgbáyé o, a máa lọ mú fún àwọn agbófinró báyìí. A bá mú fún wọn tán, á jẹ́ kí ẹ máa gbọ́ nǹkan.
Yeah, you're welcome back, my people. As you can see in that video, Iskilu Wakili has been finally arrested. Although I am not really pleased with one of the statements the arresters made. We really commend their efforts. We really commend and appreciate their effort. But what will make us all happy, and which I know makes you happy also, is doing what is right. In my own opinion, I don't think handing him over to the police will make any difference. We all know Nigeria. But I want to leave the rest of the story to you. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you're happy with this news. So, if you like what we do on this channel, I implore you again, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that we can always bring to you our regular updates. We upload on this channel every day. So if you're yet to subscribe, please do so, and don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you can get notified every time we upload another video. Thank you and God bless you. Have a wonderful Sunday evening, and bye.